Which among the following was not a part of the three sections of the Rigvedic tribe? Answer: craftsman. Which part of the constitution deals with the panchayats? Answer: Part 9. Which of the following battles was fought between Babur and Rana Sanga in 1527? Answer: Battle of Khanwa. Who among the following was the president of the Belgaum session of the Indian National Congress held in 1924? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Atla Tadi is the widely celebrated festival of which Indian state? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. The permanent settlement came into operation in which of the following years? Answer: 1793. Which of the following is mentioned in Article 1 of the Indian Constitution? Answer: India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. What is the duration of monsoon in India? Answer: 100 to 120 days. Articles 52 to 78 in Part 5 of the Indian Constitution deal with? Answer: Union Executive. What is the gas evolved when zinc reacts with sulfuric acid? Answer: hydrogen. Which of the following is another name of vitamin C? Answer: ascorbic acid. Which of the following sultans of Delhi primarily adopted a policy of consolidation rather than expansion? Answer: Balban. Articles 214 to 231 in Part 6 of the Indian Constitution deal with the? Answer: High Courts. In 1936, the Independent Labour Party was founded by? Answer: B.R. Ambedkar. Which of the following is not a tributary of Ganga? Answer: Lohit. Which famous experiment was done by Michael Faraday in 1831? Answer: discovery of electromagnetic induction. The book, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, was written by? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. Who among the following founded the Pala dynasty in 8th century CE? Answer: Gopala. The ICAR, Sugarcane Breeding Institute, is located at? Answer: Coimbatore. Which act was passed by the British Parliament in the year 1773 AD to regulate the activities of the East India Company? Answer: Regulating Act. Which of the following is the first Indian woman grandmaster in chess? Answer: S. Vijayalakshmi. In which of the following states is the Chufat dance performed? Answer: Sikkim. Which of the following is a festival primarily celebrated in the state of Orissa? Answer: Raja Parba.
Gotta focus on